welcome back. So last time you saw me, we were busy with this site model of ours. Now for today's model building session, we'll be having a look at massing models and how they can be used and what they're used for. So before we get started, I actually built this. So this is basically the same as the site model, just a bit more, well, it's at a larger scale, basically double the size. Because what I'm now going to do is I'm going to be building blocks of different sizes, different shapes, and then placing them on the model and see, what works and what doesn't. So I'm going to get started on that. And check it out. So I've got a bunch of different just square boxes like these two. Then I've got two larger boxes, these two, and then I've got a rectangular box. So I'm going to be placing these blocks on the site and just basically, it's almost like building Legos, just basically building out, seeing how everything comes together and how it fits, and it also gives you a good perception of the scale. Okay, so after some playing around, this is my mass model that I've decided on now. So this is the entrance as you come in, and then I've decided to kind of emphasize the hierarchy through putting this one box up at the top to show that this is basically where you move through from campus. You've got one view coming in, another view going out, and therefore you've got this differentiation between your entrance and your exit and that. And it's actually got a couple of nice paths. What is really nice about building mass models like these is I can also play around, for instance, with a light. Move it around, see what the sun will do, because I've got an orientation. So north is up like that, so the sun actually moves around like this. So you can also then get quite a good idea of what the sun will do moving through the structures. So now this is the mass model. What I'm going to do now is, this is just the base, this is the beginning of my design. So now I'm going to start using additives and subtractives and taking out some things, like for instance over here, where the cars will have to go through, I'll have to cut holes in, and you'll have to take away, certain aspects of this, but this just gives me a general idea. So I'll have eventually I'll have my site model that I showed you, this mass model, and then I'll have a bunch of models building up to my final product. For instance, I mean, over here you can just imagine what sort of, you can add roofs in between the blocks and that. But this, like I said, this is just a very basic model to show me what I have to work with. So that's it. In the next video then I will probably start working on the finer details, what roofs, how it's going to work, and then you will basically just have to follow along and see how it ends up as. So thank you very much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please like and subscribe, and then I'll see you next time. Cheers.